morning, vlog world. Welcome back. Just get up and I drink some soursop tea. Yeah. Same soursop tea I'm telling you I was gonna make. That's what I'm drinking right now. So today is just a chill day. We're gonna be grilling some chicken back and pork, you know, and just chill. So stay tuned for that one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know. We're trying to get to that 1K mark. So, all right, see you in a bit. Look at these guys. Trying to catch one of these little piggies, man. Put them on the grill. They be touring over the garbage at night. They be doing a little bit of everything. The dog is afraid of them. The dog only bark. But the dog don't do shit to them. Two little piggies. Really? Really?
Then you walk a pick it and you know if you catch it.
Oh, in alright.
Oh yeah. Put it down.
In alright.
Pretty good. By Monday, right? And then I'm backside by Monday.
So wrap it up in a something.
Thank you, young lady. Where your lighter there? Yeah, that's some. This man a real countryman.
Hold on, man, it's only brush. Put them up on the
So, the fire not gonna need more wood than that. A bird fruit, man. Fire upon that, Tyrone. You hear me wood there? Fire upon that.
You're not on the shore, man, too now. Right, yeah,
Yeah, wait, sir.
How far that thing there on the veranda lid?
What?
What? Right, at the Guinness me I talk about. The Guinness me I talk about.
Eat breakfast some morning?
Me?
Yeah.
Breakfast that me ask about, man.
If you eat and wait until at least 12 o'clock, man.
So we don't have to pay for it.
Then cool.
Then I'm going to put some people in the house.
I'm going to warm up, man. Then warm up.
The roast.
Yeah, baby.
I think some of that come see bird fruit, them still a roast, but I guess I'm done.
Oh,
Bird fruit, I'm done the roast already. Till I run. If I run in front, I smell this, you know? Yeah.
I don't want to put my piece on. I don't want to put me.
Oh, where did I put on it?
I don't want to put the chicken. I don't want to put this in my soup, but I don't know take long to come with the chicken.
Oh, the breast them?
Yes.
Oh, so you just show them on the grill.
Yeah, people come and want something to eat.
To eat, alright.
What's the friend?
Yeah, but you know, say, we have pig on the grill, you know, but see one day over there, so like you want to go on the grill too. No, man. Until I remember, I let him on the grill. But don't you say that one day I want? I want like I want female though.
I'll clean them up, cuz. And give you some pig.
I bet you the uncle Paul and give me salary for them ready. I call him my boss. While Sunday, me and him around here, Alan around here, must be this of me I do.
Yeah.
I say some pig cover on here, I say. I say them a mash up something and like you want.
Less man.
Uncle is different, man.
I must in G-string, he must miss man. Yeah, but everything for girl when him a cuss your brother.
Yo.
What?
Oh. Talk about brother, you can't, they're not the same thing, man. Alright, me tell people, you know, say, look for me. Me will tell you something, yes, and nobody not hear when me tell you, but you say, when you start talking, you have to make enough noise, make everybody blood clot here. Me tell you something again, and nobody not hear. And you alone people hear a cuss. So me just did you tell you something, and people that hear you a cuss and not hear when me tell you.
Them time we believe it's festive still, you know.
What?
Yes, man.
Yes,
man, it is
even Mama
festive
clear
them
about
time.
look for me and tell me, say, yes, Kidding a fear, you know. Cause your face, you know, everybody tell me, say, just the face in it, you know.
Mm.
You,
What me say? Remember me say we believe.
people afraid. When me have bad people afraid to take me, if they even look for me one time, when me start see and then see me, I look for them, you know. If they ever look again, you know. Alright, anytime I go down there, I go across and stop and be on him. Why do you go up there and say,
And then just dig it up.
He said, we come down there and
Yeah.
cover him. He said, by the time if you bend down,
Hey, them fast, no? Yeah, man, them fast, man.
Really fast.
I'm going to look for me and say, island really like a berry. He said, you're lucky on the ball.
If I saw man a hot water, them I put on.
I chew all, you know, too wicked.
Yeah.
I just say them they forget land, so that I have no machine.
Yeah, plastic. Yeah, man, jungle them, man.
And fly catch them
Alright.
out, you know.
You know eat pork?
What you mean? Pork are the nicest.
But look,
So you deal with the hog, so?
Chris, you can make my grandmother tell you, to your grandmother, to my grandmother tell you about Harry Scott and Les.
Yo,
When you
let's.
pack your seal and work and grung and cookie having hog.
Yeah.
I dig up in sitting. And my granny say one day, one morning, he Harry dog, I say, let's get the machete come.
Yeah.
You know, say the cookie again take and cut off its neck and chew it and then show like up a cookie go put on hot water and clean it up and give cookie for them peace. Granny say, and Granny say when they come through get guys take out on the bomb. That's not coming on my yard.
Yeah.
Can't kill. Cut off cookie. Again, you want the person I clean him back up dog.
Yeah, man, that be I say, yo.
Yeah.
Clean it, but then I cook it.
Remember that.
Yeah.
Granny says, take out on the what's that out of my yard. When I go with that. Yeah, man.
Real granny that, you know.
Oh.
Should I clean it up and cook it, man? Don't choose that one, I want female one, though.
Let me tell you how granny, me know it's a granny real. When lice are gone,
Yeah.
we just go lay down side of granny. As a matter of fact, as me sick, a granny am a doctor.
Yeah.
As me head start at me go down a shop. I want me go sleep side of granny. And if me have lice, you know when lice are run out? Granny pick lice out of my head without light, just lie down in the dark and just having hand, in finger in my head, and every blood clot lice.
And pick them out.
Granny, hey, it's a granny.
Yeah.
No man can't cook like granny.
Granny.
No man, cause the first thing when me see granny do, when me see no woman not do, is dry the meat. Wash off the meat and use her table towel.
And dry it?
And dry her
Yeah,
meat
man.
before she
Never
seasons
see
it.
that.
Yeah,
Dry
man.
her fish before she put
Fish,
her
me understand, because
seasoning
you
pan.
got fry it.
Yeah, man.
Dry her meat.
Right on.
Dry her meat before she seasons. And it's so good. You do it and put on the seasoning pan it. The meat take the seasoning more.
Yeah?
Remember me
When you
tell
dry it off?
When you dry it off. You try it one time.
I forgot try that and
Yes
see.
man, all your fish man, dry them off man.
The fish, me understand, because you don't know them there.
Then after them still not dry fish I know. Then prefer me put
Yeah,
it,
them not dry them no
prefer
more.
me put it in a little thing there. Little flour. And fry it.
Fry it up.
No man can't cook like granny. No man, when granny cook give me in a chemist. Cook give me in a when
Tell
you
Benny.
granny, you know. The time me on it live up a
Tell
top there, you
Benny.
know.
Yeah.
When me a go a granny for food, you know, brother. Granny a look for me and tell me, say, Juna, you know, see me turn whole now. They say whole people now. So me say, you give me the food, said we make the nastiness kill me because it didn't kill me from day one. Say, nah, may you give
Remember
me
say
the
up a
food.
shop,
Oh,
we have to go
yeah,
eat lunch
man.
at the time we go to school.
Amen.
That's
They like make
what-
finger,
walk
they
up
like make
there, yeah.
one finger
Yeah.
link up some man.
What you mean?
Hey, yeah, some good people. Hey, you think I like people all my granny feed and bury? Blood clot, and there's somebody, if me can't bury myself and people bury me and no blood clot,
Yeah,
and the
man.
amount of
Me
me
I
granny
tell you,
bury.
I think I joke, brother.
The amount of
Oh.
me granny bury.
The money when you collect this
The
stuff.
amount, the amount of feed them, my granny feed hungry belly people.
Yo.
Now, you
Maybe
come
I
up-
must
you
that's
come
why
at my
the
granny
shop
shop,
up
knock
there.
up my granny shop and I think that you want, you know. I trust you want, you
Yeah,
know.
man.
And you wake her out of sleep.
And she
You
still
can
a
trust,
gear.
you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright. And you see when granny wake, you think he might cuss you? All him a tell you say wait. Me no broke my ducks yet. And you say if a man come buy a sweetie, you get what you want after. But he nah give you.
Until him broke him
Unless
duck.
him broke him duck.
Duck. Makes sense.
I talk about man, my granny a great man, man. I love Gata. And the best granny that.
I got to
How
recharge.
you talk about, brother? Alright, see her. Oh, day me look on her and tell her, I say, yo, you know, say, my granny tell me something. And I work on them. My granny tell me, say, tenancy. No poor no dance.
I'm going to interference.
And interference. Alright? My granny tell me, say, yo, if you can't do good,
Do
do
nothing.
nothing. Alright, you think my granny are easy somebody. My granny learn me something when I live by. Right now, them are help me carry me through.
Just like my grandfather, Mr. Valentine.
How we are talk about, man?
Yeah. Cause that man tell me, say, because every Sunday that man usually come up on my yard come drinking Red Stripe there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And that man said, come here. Yeah, come here, grandson. Let me tell you this.
What the boy?
Don't run down woman. Run down money.
Money. Hey, me
Because
tell,
if you live in a even stone wall, if you have money, a woman will come in there.
me tell my son the same thing me say in life.
Yeah.
Pursue your career,
Career,
and
have
everything.
things, yeah.
You see, once you have that,
Yeah,
don't worry
man,
about
yeah.
nothing, man. You don't have to even look at woman.
No.
Yeah, man, you don't have to look them,
The
man.
man tell me, say, yo,
Yeah, man.
no run down woman, brother.
No.
Run down money, brother.
Yeah, man.
When you have money, woman run you down.
Yeah.
Yeah, man tell me
My
that.
grandfather tell me
But-
if I
but-
even stone wall you live in.
But it's when you have money still, you need a good woman.
if you take care of that money,
And you need-
make we keep that
Yeah.
money.
Multiply
You
it
keep that
and
money,
take care
yeah.
of you too.
Yeah, because we can't just make money, you know.
Yeah?
A one and few man can make the money and invest the money, you know. You know that,
Mhm.
no?
Some woman, the man make the money to you know, and the money then take care of you, then take care of the woman, you know. The man, you know.
Well,
The money then take care of them,
Well-
not
well-
take care of the man. Because they want the man all for dead left it for them too, you know. Hey.
it go both ways. Man and woman do that to man.
Yo,
Yo, where you going, man?
come on.
Better than me, because every time me jerk chicken, something burn up.
You have to keep the coal at
You
a
have to
level.
gauge it, yeah. I
Throw water
understand
in
that.
there. Your coal, you can't throw water for your coal?
Yeah, but me just I say it no matter what me do sometimes. I mean, I will just load up the grill with the whole heap
Don't
of,
put too much in there at a time.
with the whole heap of in there.
Don't put what heap in there.
They smell good, do you know? Which part of the
And
chicken
you
back there?
use your
The chicken
wife.
back there?
See that now?
The chicken back there? They look fat though. Back in the day, chicken back never so fat now. They be a bone up and chicken back in there.
And you can't get so fat or that.
Them chicken back can step up in our life. I remember one time I live at 16 Camden Christian chicken back never eat so
Yeah,
fat.
yeah.
And they full of bone.
That is so can't
Come here, I tell you, say, one time I Marsha pull up, I smell this, you know. And I think I did Uncle Alan, because this one time I wake up, Uncle Alan that boiled the pork or something.
Yes.
something. And that wake me up, you know. And that wake me up.
You know what?
I tell you a good life, boy.
Man, we kill some man eat it.
Yeah, man, I want that good because it's a man
One
and
thing
that.
me I say again and me I go say it again.
So.
2006 we make a big mistake.
2006.
Remix it.
Them ready, you know.
Oh.
Them chicken, them ready.
I know the matter about. You say something. Oh.
Them chicken, them ready for eat, man. What you talking about?
Am I baby I talk to? My friend.
Them not ready, man. That one I right is a bun up still.
Yeah,
but
because Charmin say,
when I gonna deal with that right now, but the chicken them look good.
and then I'm coming.
Me go one place what they do.
Yeah.
And I say Kim,
Them are not deal with bottom anymore. No. Basement.
Basement. Oh shit. Different compartment.
Basement. Some say bottom no enough for them out. He said no. He said no. A basement anyway. Our base. Yeah. You see, imagine that. Yeah, Rasta come from St. Thomas too. Yes. Benny come from St. Thomas. That's how we build. Up where we go.
No, man. Oh, who is that come from?
But
Benny.
yeah.
Benny. Yeah, man. Up where we go. A shaman father something.
No, man.
Right. Tell me when you know where we go.
You can walk through here.
Benny what? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can walk to you for
You know, say you can walk through here.
Me go there again and Roger walk come and come check me.
I didn't hear all your sentence. That's why I said that.
Don't I hear feel and come here and check
You know,
me.
say you can walk through here. You go back to live though. A Portland.
Yeah, man, you can walk from here.
I go
But-
back to live.
I want good walk that still, you know.
You walk one day, you could walk you.
Yeah, man, I want good walk that, man.
You walk out check me about. You walk out check me about already.
You gotta rock nobody go.
We got about so you can check me about.
So you come check your about?
Yeah, from
And he walk? No, man, I lie, man. You walk from Portland come about?
I work by him. I work by him.
friend of friend.
Oh, so they just do it for fun?
Yeah, but
Okay.
go back.
But you leave to join the shop.
I never think
Yeah.
Is that everything to run, bro?
Yeah.
No, so therefore, then I'll make it back to you. I'm walking back, you know.
Hey, if you drink the rum, don't make that walk there, you know, cause me don't know where you're gonna end up, you know.
Walk there.
Yes, man, that walk there gonna be different.
And reach a Portland before the man will take care and go around. Yeah, man.
Really?
You hear me say? Entrance, you know, man. Entrance, you live up here, so. Entrance where you go for the Portland. You have to pass where me live, you know, man. Right here, so me live on the bank in Benny.
Yeah.
Up a yard. And you go up and go through Carfield. And go Carfield and go Hayfield. And go through.
And you reach your Portland?
And you reach a Portland.
Remember say
Okay.
You know the
Remember say
entrance
up,
of the yard.
remember say
You
up,
have to pass to reach.
remember say up Uncle Harry never come check me now.
At the same entrance. At the same entrance.
Yeah.
Same place. We have one. This man come up on Clyde.
Huh?
This man come up on Clyde.
Of course.
Then at the same entrance.
Son,
The road go up.
we didn't go Alderman, you're thinking brother.
Yo,
Then at the same entrance go Kega Portland.
but if you drink, do not attempt that. Yeah. If you drink, don't do it.
You can't walk here, Bingy, I told you.
You say, I told you drink?
And Uncle Harry and
You can't walk.
You can't drink till you feel red, you know? You have to,
Red?
yeah, you can't.
Red?
Well, you have to know the part. Come
What
on.
they call it?
Man, you know, say man go up there, and laugh. And here where they find their way in a Rasta. Man go up there and laugh. You know.
Yeah.
Now find their way, you know. You know, a man have a drink of rum and just spray it out. And if you spray it out.
In finding way?
Yeah, man.
Right,
true, brother.
The
The man say hi, you know, far, we are walk past the place 1 million times.
I see him later.
And as the man say, lunchtime, make we take a break and pull the rum right through the man. You go find a woman and the woman says, and the man say, "Must have take a little time to pass, take a little part time to pass."
Two by here for you. Come on,
Then I give the drop in our rum, brother. Oh, yeah, go pass, brother.
I mean, tell him by here, come on, Milbank, you know.
I say, I give the drop in our rum, brother. Oh, yeah, go pass.
Yeah?
You see walking, man. You say you reach out to people down there.
And then tell them, man, I left it at night, I come, you know.
Yes, man.
I'm make it to you.
In no way, brother. It come like nothing to him.
Next man say, "Now we go over for your family over there."
Come like nothing to him, brother.
You
Yeah,
know,
man.
go over your family over there.
Next man.
Next
No, next man.
Milbank.
Say, "Ma go over."
You say, wanna go over there?
He could have sleep if he want, you know.
The vehicle come back for them though. Them the vehicle
We
come and
could
build back
drive grown, no.
and come for them.
Yeah, we could carry go here feel and then drive come
Drive
round.
round, yeah.
And then two.
When Roger come at the, when Roger them come at the 99, we all them
I
are,
hope, man.
right?
All in the 9.
They fix it. They fix the road.
Me never.
They fix the road, brother.
Them fix it.
Yeah, man, the road good here now, man. You can forward, man. What you talk about?
Where say the road good now?
Yeah, man, the road good here now, man.
Eh?
Look at Bart, man.
Bad. Yeah.
Not the whole light, but I think like 98% are good.
When you go back, brother?
Eh?
You go back recently?
No, but watch it on YouTube.
Me gonna send them as what there. But me no go on about here.
You know got Bart?
No, son, the road.
Hey, if you go for the bat, you want mash up in there, you can't go to say no. Yeah, man. No one is up there.
No, Park. Back road good. Last
Mr. Lad, last time you got to know who was not there. You have to swing.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Yeah.
We not say that. Them a work on it.
Yeah, man, Big Super, a good youth, man.
Yeah, you work all over
Yeah, man.
Yeah, good road. Come on, more on there. Yeah. Little bit of good road.